Look at your bank account right now. Look at your friends' Instagram stories. Same age, different reality. While you're complaining about being broke, they're posting screenshots of their investment gains. While you're scrolling TikTok, they're building multiple income streams. While you're making excuses about the economy, they're making money from it. That friend who started investing the same time you said you would, their portfolio just hit 6 figures. Your old co-worker who launched that side hustle you called risky, they just quit their 9 to 5. But you're still living paycheck to paycheck, still saying, I'll start investing next month, still watching others build wealth while you build debt. If you're tired of being financially left behind while everyone else levels up, this is your wake-up call. The next 5 minutes will expose exactly why you're broke and how to break the cycle, starting today. Every day you don't invest is a day compound interest works against you. While you're spending money on things that lose value, they're buying assets that gain value. While you're financing cars and clothes, they're financing their future. While you're paying interest, they're earning it. Your money is working for everyone except you. That person posting their crypto gains, they started with the same amount you spent on takeout last month. The one bragging about their real estate portfolio, they bought their first property while you were waiting for the right time. The stock market doesn't care about your feelings. It rewards participation, not preparation. It builds wealth for those who show up, not those who show off. Every dollar you don't invest is a dollar that won't multiply. Every month you delay is compound growth you'll never recover. But here's what's really keeping you poor, and it's not what you think. Most people blame their salary, their background, or the system. The real problem is psychological. In 30 seconds, I'll expose the mental trap that's destroying your wealth before you even start building it. You have a poor person's relationship with money. Poor people spend money to look rich. Rich people invest money to become rich. Poor people buy liabilities and call them assets. Rich people buy assets and let them pay for their lifestyle. You're financially weak before you're actually broke. Rich people see money as a tool. You see it as a reward. Rich people make money work for them. You work for money. Rich people think long term. You think paycheck to paycheck. Your comfort zone is killing your wealth. Same spending habits. Same financial results. You've been buying the same expensive coffee for months. You avoid investing because it's complicated. You skip learning about money because it's boring. You spend first and save what's left instead of saving first and spending what's left. Meanwhile, others are building wealth every single day. They're learning about investments, starting businesses, creating passive income streams. They're getting comfortable being financially disciplined. Money doesn't care about your emotions. It responds to your decisions, your discipline, your refusal to stay broke. But even changing your mindset isn't enough if you're missing the 3 wealth-building pillars that separate the rich from the broke. Most people focus on earning more and ignore the other 2. That's why they stay stuck in the rat race. Get all 3 right, and financial freedom is inevitable. Pillar 1, income acceleration. You can't invest what you don't earn. Rich people are always increasing their earning power. They're learning high-value skills, negotiating raises, launching side hustles, freelancing, consulting, or building businesses. Every extra dollar is fuel for your financial future. Pillar 2, expense optimization. Rich people aren't cheap, they're intentional. They cut expenses that don't build wealth and invest in assets that do. Every dollar you spend is either building your future or burning it. Audit your spending. Cancel subscriptions that don't serve you. Redirect every wasted dollar toward investments. Pillar 3, investment acceleration. The magic isn't in how much you invest, but how soon you start. Stocks, real estate, index funds, businesses, every dollar you put to work today multiplies tomorrow. Compound growth is the silent engine behind every wealthy person you know. The earlier you start, the bigger your snowball. But here's the part that will make or break your financial transformation. Most people know what to do, but never do what they know. There's one mindset shift that separates the wealthy from the broke. Miss this, and you'll join the 99% who stay financially stuck forever. Wealthy people don't wait for perfect conditions. They create wealth in any condition. They don't invest when they feel like it. They invest especially when they don't. They understand that discipline is the bridge between financial goals and financial achievement. Your money was designed to multiply, not disappear. It was meant to work for you, not against you. But you've been treating it like an expense instead of an investment. That burning feeling when you see others' success, that's your potential calling you out. That regret when you see missed opportunities, that's your future self begging you to start. Every millionaire was once broke and decided to change. Every successful investor started with their first dollar. Every business owner began with just an idea and the courage to act. The only difference between you and them is they started before they felt ready. Your background isn't your excuse, it's your starting point. Your current income isn't your limitation, your financial habits are. Every day you wait, the price of financial freedom goes up. Every month you delay, the wealth gap widens.